And today, hundreds of Sacramento County attorneys walked off the job and went on strike demanding justice for themselves. ABC 10's Jeannie Nguyen joins us tonight to explain what they're asking for and how the county is responding. Jeannie?
Well, Alex, these attorneys represent the district attorney's public defender's office and the Department of Child Support Services. Tonight, they're asking for competitive wages to retain and recruit, but county officials say they already have enough.
You don't care. You don't care. You don't care.
Our experts are leaving to jobs that have better pay and less work.
On Monday morning, hundreds of attorneys from the Sacramento County DA's and Public Defender's Office showed up to the main courthouse in downtown.
What do we want? What do we want it?
The county has been misleading the public by claiming we already received the raise. That so-called raise was only a cost of living adjustment.
The union wants to make clear they are not looking to get rich.
We chose this path despite the heavy burden of law school debt and to lure more lucrative careers because we believe in justice, fairness, dignity for every person regardless of their means.
District Attorney Tin Ho showed up to a court hearing today as the strike was ongoing, but made it clear his attorneys deserve these raises as he's having difficulty retaining and recruiting experienced attorneys.
I believe and support my attorneys getting the proper benefits and fair wages and benefits.
A county spokesperson tells ABC 10 top annual salaries for county attorneys range from $204,000 to $247,000, which is well above market averages, adding a 19.5 to 20.5% increase as opposed to the 14 to 15% provided as part of the current extension seems counterintuitive, and market data does not support such a raise. But the union says this response from the county is jeopardizing the quality of work they're able to produce.
And it's because the entire criminal justice system is connected. It's all one part. And when you underfund parts, it causes defects elsewhere. It's like a ship with multiple holes. And you can plug one hole, but if you don't bring the whole ship up, it's going to sink. And that's what's going on in this county.
The union is asking for at least 5.5% more than what they're being offered.
I'm having issues recruiting and retaining attorneys, and we're asking for fair benefits. And I'm asking the county CEO to really step up and to sit down and to help resolve this conflict.
The Sacramento County Attorneys Association wants to reiterate they are not short-staffed, but they're lacking seasoned attorneys, adding more work onto the attorneys with experience.
Of course, the big question is how will this impact the ongoing court proceedings? The union says it's still dedicated to its work as public servants.
We will show up for every trial that's already in progress. We will show up for last day trials, meaning the accused has a constitutional right to have it within a statutory period. We will show up for the end of that statutory period. And we will show up for our last day preliminary hearings.
And Jeannie, I got to ask you, do we know at this time how long the strike is expected to last? And also, how is the county going to adjust to make sure that there aren't any interruptions while court proceedings are still going on?
Well, Alex, a union representative tells me it's going to be up to the county to come up with a better offer. And a county spokesperson does tell me that this is all going to be up to the union. But the county will also be providing private attorneys to a limited number of cases and says all in custody arrests will be timely reviewed and there should be no interruptions to arraignments.
All right. Very important here in our community. Of course, you already know. Jeannie will keep following this story for us. Thank you so much.